AI-powered personal chefs, the end of home cooking, the smart kitchen revolution. Welcome back to Nexus Point. For decades, the kitchen has been the heart of the home, a place of tradition and often stress. But today, the most disruptive technology isn't in your pocket, it's in your oven. We're talking about AI-powered personal chefs. Is this the ultimate convenience that eliminates food waste, or does it signal the end of home cooking as a cultural skill? The first breakthrough is hyper-personalization. Apps like Yumly and Mealime use AI to analyze your preferences, dietary needs, even your genetic profile, to create tailored meal plans. Forget static recipes. AI suggests dynamic meals based on what's actually expiring in your smart fridge. This eliminates decision fatigue, saves money, and acts as your private nutritionist. The second layer is automation. Smart ovens like June Oven recognize the food placed inside and automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures for perfection. Advanced kitchen robots are already being developed to chop, stir, and knead dough. The goal is simple: achieve Michelin star consistency without any human skill or effort. For many, this efficiency is revolutionary. But what is the cost? Cooking is a fundamental life skill, a key source of family bonding, and a vessel for cultural heritage. The verdict from Nexus Point is that the AI chef is a powerful collaborator that eliminates stress and waste. However, we must guard against the loss of the human element. The kitchen will always be the nexus point for family and culture, but the food itself is rapidly becoming digital. Let us know in the comments, is the convenience of the AI chef worth the loss of the human cooking skill? Like, share and subscribe to Nexus Point. We separate the hype from the hardware.